You're bidding on a Ammco drum lathe disc combination. This says it's a model 4109. Here's some of the tooling. I have individual shots. This has been sitting for a long time in a municipal government warehouse. It doesn't have a lot of use on it, but it's broken. You can see, where's the crack? Where's the, oh maybe, oh no, that crack belongs there.
This here.
Oh, here, there's, can we see it?
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. There's a crack here. This thing got dropped. This fell over backwards. There used to be a sign here, and it broke the sign off. So this draw is not working. This piece, you need to replace this. There's plenty of parts out there for this. These are readily available. Parts for them are all over the internet. Fire it up. Nice quiet motor. This functions. We have, go ahead. Is that fast? That's fast. That's slow. That's the cross feed. That's working fine. This is what it is. So if you're buying it, it needs fixing. Like I say, this is not functioning. This is goofed up because it's cracked. The housing is cracked right here. That's what it is. Good luck bidding.